carry myself.
Count yourself.
We should have like a secret code for emergency. Tell us specifically how long we have to wait.
Thanks.
No wonder.
Glad to be here.
You still want it?
Yes, older.
Come on, one. Look this way. Look this way. Come,
There's
look
a
this
shit
way.
tied up.
Hey, look like we're having fun, guys.
I'm still okay. Because if you want to eat, you stay here and eat while the rest of us
When I count to three, guys, when I count to three.